Hello, how are you, brother?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking me. What about you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing very good. Thanks for asking.
Oh, nice to hear you are doing great. So, where do you live in Bangladesh?
Very good question. Actually, I am from Cox's Bazar.
Oh, you live in Cox's, the longest city is located there. Nice.
Thank
So,
you. And how are you from?
I am
In
from
Bangladesh.
I am from South of Bangladesh. I live in Borishal. I think you know it.
You are from Shatkhira.
No, Borishal.
Yeah, I know about Borishal. Yeah.
Have you ever traveled in my city, Borishal?
No, actually, I have not, but if possible, inshallah, I'll try to visit. Yeah.
Nice to hear. Yeah, if you come here, you can enjoy because there are located a lot of river, canal, and amazing place.
Yeah, actually, I have some relatives. If possible, I will go there. If I have get time to visit, I will visit, inshallah. Why not?
May Allah help you.
Yeah, actually, they are not in Borishal. They are from Bula. Bula is very near from Borishal, maybe.
Yeah, Bola is another district of Borishal. So yeah, it
Okay,
is
okay, I get it.
amazing place.
Okay, thanks for sharing.
So how long have you been in this platform, Episoden?
Yeah, actually, I'm very beginner in this platform. I think that 2 months almost not completed in this platform right now. 56 days completed, maybe. So that is why I think that I'm very beginner in this platform. And what about his side?
It's me almost 2 or 3 months I am here, but not regularly I am practicing in this platform.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.